Lord, has.
Yes.
That's the only difficulty we have, but we are providing that
Yes.
Lordships in a sealed cover. Insofar as the Lord, I totally, I mean, there is nothing, Lord, the reply to reply, there is nothing.
Yes.
But only few aspects, Lord, where the questions, Lord, which were not objected to, we have not, Lord, explained them in detail for the reason since there was no objection received by them. Lord, for that reason, Lord, if they are to be also be explained, Lord, we have answers for that also. But otherwise, Lord, since none of the petitioners have objected, those questions,
No,
Lord,
you
we
have
have
already argued
Yes,
each
Lord.
and every question.
Other than
answer.
the objected ones, wherever they have objected, we have argued, my Lord.
Yes.
Which has not been objected, we have not adverted to your before
Yes,
your
yes,
lordships.
yes.
In question number 41, my Lord, also, Lord, I was it was objection was taken that I did not object, I did not explain it. But my Lord, since persons who have actually answered got selected, but who have objected got selected, my Lord, we felt there was no need to explain, my Lord, because the others who have not objected, Lord, for them there is no need to explain. But 41, my Lord, if your lordship so pleases,
Have you filed material? Yes.
Yes, my Lord, 41 we have filed. Only that portion, my Lord. Only to that extent I would like to clarify to your lordship.
Please clarify that only.
Yes,
that,
my Lord.
that same
Only
one
40.
question only.
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
close the. Yes.
Lord, your lordships may kindly be taken to the two documents, my Lord. One is
Page
the
number?
counter, page 35, my Lord.
Yes.
And one is the reply file.
Yes.
The counter, my Lord, which we filed, page 35.
Yes.
Lord, this is the 2016 rules. My Lord, your lordships would see above chapter 1,
Yes.
now therefore. Lordships got it. Now therefore,
Yes,
in
yes.
exercise of powers conferred by section 6, 8, 25 of Environmental Protection Act 1986 and in supersession of hazardous waste management handling and transboundary rules 2008. Lord, 2008 there was another amendment in 2009. Lord, entire thing is gone.
Yes.
In supersession of this, Lord, except otherwise, Lord, these rules have come in place, which is hazardous and other waste management transboundary rules 2016. At 2016, the exercise of power, Lord, two things, Lord, the powers conferred under this act and in supersession of the old rules, the new rules have been framed.
Yes.
What they rely is, my Lord, this other is not there in the old one.
Yes.
Therefore, my Lord, it cannot be, but your lordships may also see the old one under the reply,
Yes.
which they have filed, that gazette also, my Lord.
Yes.
Incidentally, that also refers to the same section, same provision under which, my Lord, the central government has exercised its powers, page 34 of that reply, my Lord.
Yes, read.
I'll read, my Lord. In exercise of powers conferred under section 6, 8, 25 of the Environmental Protection Act 1986, hereby makes rules to amend hazardous waste management rules 2008, that is 2009. Now the question before your lordships in question 41,
Page 35, you read?
34, my Lord,
34, yes.
in exercise of powers, this is the old rules, my Lord, superseded by 2016 completely.
Yes.
2008 there was one rule, my Lord, that rule was amended in 2009, that is at page 34. But in 2016 this entire old rules have been superseded.
Yes.
And in 2016 there was also an amendment caused to the 2016 rules. Why I am saying this?
2018 rules or
16, my Lord. The page 34 and page 35 of the counter, if your lordship, page
yes,
30,
yes, yes.
35, this is 2016.
34 is amendment. 34 of reply is amendment to the rule to 2008 rules.
2008 rules.
That page 35 of your counter is in
supersession of the entire old rules, my Lord. Yes. New rules have come.
Yes.
In new rules also, the exercise of power is under section 6, 8, 25 of Environmental Act only, and in supersession of these rules only.
Yes.
So from 2016, these rules are not in force of 2008 and 9. And in 2016 only, my Lord, page 39.
39 of your counter.
Yes, ma'am. Amendment has been caused to the rules 2016.
Yes.
In exercise of powers conferred under so and so Act the central government hereby makes the following rules to amend base rules of 2016.
Yes.
Now the words what they say is, these rules are called hazardous and other waste management rules.
Other is not there in.
Other is the only word not there. Therefore, they say that we are referring to 2009, which is the, and that 2009 is not forming part of the answers. It's not there in the answers. The only answer there is 2016. The correct answer is there. They say since other is not there, it would be referring to 2009. You did not put 2009, therefore the question has to be deleted.
Yes.
Your lordships would see the question, my lord. That's only one last minute. I will not take much of your time. Question is, my lord, extracted at page 41, 10, my lord, 10. Page 10 of the counter.
Yes.
Lord, it says, match the following.
1 minute.
I'm sorry. Counter in 2322320.
1 minute.
Page 10.
Read.
Match the following act rules in India with respect to their years of passing act oblique rule in India.
Yes.
Lord, forest conservation rules, National Green Tribunal, so and so. This D is what they say is not correct. Lord. Hazardous waste management handling and transboundary movement First Amendment rules. Lord, this First Amendment rules, there is a 2016 at answer number 2. Lord, they say since it is other waste is not there, and there is no 2008 and 2009 also, my lord, in the answers. The question itself, they wanted it to be deleted. We said that since the amendment rules of 2016, rules also came in 2016, amendment also came in 2016, and answer 2016 is there. My lord, and the my lord, hall ticket and OMR, my lord, very clearly say answer the appropriate nearest answer, nearest appropriate answer, my lord. It can be to be taken, but this is there, my lord, and the answer 2016 is also very clear. They cannot rely on a repealed rule, is what our submission was.
Yes.
My lord, that is the and 119, my lord. In fact, 119, my lord, I did not want to press much, my lord, in 119. If your lordships may only the nine, my lord, I did not want to press much, my lord, in 119. If your lordships may only the applies for economic safeguards of all the communities. It does not say, my lord, it's only SC or ST. The question may have to be read, my lord. The question 119, I'll only read, my lord. It doesn't say specifically, my lord, that only for this. What are the safeguards provided? For so and so community. Said, your lordships may act done by him in connection or of a state do with economic safeguards of shall be economic safeguard. But it relates to this is the your lordships have asked, my lord, with respect to their marks. And the lordships also asked what are the answers which they have answered or not. My lord, that I'll provide it in. That is not part of that.
That we want.
Yes.
Okay. So is it available right now?
Yes, my lord. It is with me, my lord. I'll provide it in. But that is sealed, my lord. That is
We'll pass orders on 14.
Yes.
Give that copy also.
My lord, I think I got it.
Yes, sir. Reserved. We'll pass orders on 14. Yes.
So, Lord,
Immediately on
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, in fact, I got that.
We're giving that copy right into tick mark copy.
That
Tick
that
mark
also
copy.
that also
No, not necessary.
not that, my lord. This is the answers given by them. Lordships asked specifically
Yes, yes.
for each of their objections, my lord, what are the answers that they have answered. There's two column, my lord. One column says what is the answer as per the final key and what they have answered.
Yes.
my Lord, though Shiva covered, my Lord, my friend Shiva, insofar
Yes.
as that is, my Lord, I only have to say this, my Lord. It is not on the ground of who answered, what is objection,
Yes.
on the trivialities, my Lord, the Lordships may not go. The Lordships
Yes.
have to see, my Lord, it's a overall, my Lord, it's not a
Yes,
question
sir.
of one
We'll consider all this.
Lord, I'm sorry, my lord. Your
That's all.
lordships were referring to this
Yes.
one, my lord. This is the objections, my lord.
Give the copy also.
Yes.
Yes. Next.
Oblige.
Yes.
Deeply oblige.
Oblige.
Yes.
Where your lordships are earlier, my lord, transfers, my lord, in which your lordships are granted, my lord, orders. Your lordship kindly taken up the page number 7, my lord.
This is pending case. Why you have made it?
Lord, salaries were not paid, my lord, last 2 months, my lord.
What is this Rajshekar?
No, because of there is
You
no
have filed
salary.
after reopening day. What is this?
Already, my lord, we are waiting for, my lord.
14th in the urgent motion. Next.
Lordship so please.
14th in the urgent motion. File an IA. File an IA.
IA filed it, my lord. That is IA only, lordship. So please. I'm not asking in the main case, my lord. IA.
You are not supposed to move lunch motion for this.
Because of only, my lord, salary, we have waited for till today, my lord. But no action has been taken, my lord. That's why I'm moving before lordship. Kindly say that, my lord, 2 months last, my lord, and the day onwards, my lord, transfer onwards, my lord.
IA 2 is ordered and the response are directed to pay the salary to the petitioner from 26/7 to what is the date of order?
Date of order is, my lord, 30th, my lord.
Status quo.
Yes, my lord. My lord, page number 8, my lord, your lordships are granted. Respondents are maintained to status quo existing as on today in respect of the
Yes.
petitioner's place
From
of
the
birth.
date, from 30, no, 30 July 2024.
Yes.
From the date of interim order for this court, that is,
Never working.
yes, what? Yes, if the petition is working.
My lord, your lordships are ordered.
Status quo order. With
Work, my lord, your lordships also said it. Your lordship can
let,
see.
let
In respect of the petitioner's place of work. My lord, where is working? Your
we
lordship?
directed to maintain status quo.
Yes.
Now we are directing to pay salary.
Yes.
If he is working, what is it?
My lord, by granting an order, my lord, if he is working, my lord,
Because status quo may goes.
but as on today, my lord, once your lordships are granted an order, so far, my lord, he was not
But we don't know. No?
relieved, my lord. If at all relieved, my lord, they can have with, my lord, everything, my lord. They are having all
No
records.
need to file a IA. Please keep it pending. We will see.
No, one submission.
File a contempt if that is the case.
As your lordships are said it correct, my lord. Only thing is that last,
14th is urgent motion.
no, your
We'll
lordship,
see.
that last word may not be, my lord. If he is working in the places, my lord, I'm, my lord, once your lordships are granted an order, I am entitled for that salary, my lord.
Either 30 July.
Yes, your lord.
If you are working, is entitled status quo. Is it,
That's
if
all,
he is in
as your
his favor,
Yes,
he is entitled. Otherwise, it is in your favor. It won't work out. It won't work out. Yes.
obliged. May take the copy today.
Till then, the interim order also not extended.
No, that was extended, my lord. That is till 30, third week, lo unna, sir.
Till 70. Yes.
May take the copy today.
17 from 30 July. Yes, copy today. Yes.
Obliged.
Yes, sir.
Petition appeared to 2024 state test method is studied from first class to 10th class Hindi medium, inter and degree also Hindi medium, second language. And he did PG degree to Hindi only. Now he applied for the test method, secured 24th rank in the Adilabad district. Page 67 is the ranking method, general ranking list. His name reflected serial number 24. He is not called for the certificate verification. He is fully eligible for the certificate verification. He made a representation to the district.
Where is your representation?
Representation to the district collector.
65. Notice for admission, GP services one takes notice and
For the representation.
6 time to file counter pending petition. The
Permitted to
show us your certificates. Show us your certificates.
page 6, page 15 is the degree certificate. Page 14 is the intermediate.
No, local, non-local. For non-local, non-local, you have to file not pass certificate, bona fides.
But he enclosed along with the representation, page 64.
Then we'll direct them to consider. Yes, come. Pending petitions, response are directed to DEO Adilabad. The fourth respondent is directed to consider the representation of the petitioner
One day.
dated 1/10/2024. Representation and material enclosed thereon. And pass appropriate orders strictly in accordance with the within a period of 10 days.
They are calling for the certificate verification 4th to 9th only.
What can we do? We don't know whether it's local or not.
If it is eligible,
That is,
We said examine and consider by taking it to your certificate
that goes without saying, my lord. If he is
Yes.
eligible, he will get it.
and pass orders within a period of 10 days. As expeditious as possible. Yes. Yes, Ramesh.
This is pertaining to the DSC examination where Millards where
Why lunch motion for this?
Millards 9th only they are going to give the appointments. Millards. And tomorrow is the last date for certificate verification. Therefore only we filed this one.
ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా ఏం డిసైడ్ చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు అడ్మిషన్ లో
Millards, sir, you are
చెప్పండి.
order for subjected to outcome for repetition. Millards, that I'll show the prima facie I'll establish. Millards, kindly come to the page number
14th.
120.
We'll see on 14th. At request of the standing government leader. 14th.
Subjected to outcome.
No,
Or
no,
otherwise
we
I'll-
will decide. We will pass orders on that day. 14th.
Obliged.
In the urgent motion list. Yes.
Obliged.
GP, you also get instruction what is the stage of recruitment and all. 14th we will see. Yes, sir. Yes.
The selection that is the page number 15. That is the rank is 972. The post of the visit. You will actually issue in the verification of the certificate her name up to 4th class it is only Sneha. And from 4th onwards it was mentioned as Kaveri. Now she appeared in the name of Kaveri, but the authorities are because they were bona fides are different, the changing of the name, so that may be considered. Everything is there. The certificates.
Where are your certificates?
Page number 20.
మరి ఆ చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదండి మీరు దానికి సింపుల్ yes there is a procedure is there for change of
Up to 4th minute is this Sneha. After 4th class minute she appeared with
no the intermediate what are you seeking
now intermediate because the both the Sneha and
permit to
one
allow her to participate in certificate verification
even
we'll post on 14th itself 15th
yes yes no that is not there.
so what is the difficulty in getting the name of Sneha
that school is
No.
Sneha is there. They have issued the bona fides now she
subject to further orders permit her for
for
only certificate verification na?
page number 19
yes
page number 19 she appeared with the name of the
Kaveri but you yes
in the initial stage her name was shown as a Sneha that is
correct
yes so subject that is subject to verification only. The basing on the certificate.
so what is the criteria for 1 to 7 yes correct 1 to 3
Father name is one and the same. Father name is one and the same.
no 4 5 6 7 4 years is enough one yes not 1 to 7 read Geo relevant Geo have you 124 have you filed you are not filed to my knowledge consecutive 4 years from 7th yes 7th 4 years take from 7th 6th 5th 4th 1 to 7 no, 4 consecutive years is required yes now here the qualifying no take 7th class as qualifying examination even then also no 4 consecutive years what is the stage of recruitment
Now the certificate verification now they are saying that the bona fides are different. That is the reason it was not considered. That is only thing. And doctor of Milan it is very much clear. I can understand because the school certificates are there, bona fide certificate produced. Only the thing is that name is will change.
oh no we'll post on 14th subject to further orders allow her to participate in certificate verification at request of the government to get instruction you are not declaring
Not hall ticket Kaveri.
anyhow you need your you have to produce that copy
Yes,
without there being certification from competent authority how can they decide Sneha and Kaveri is one and same
1 to 4th class.
the difficulty is whether Sneha or Kaveri are one and the same or two
School certificates are produced, they will verify because in the same school she is studied. You only 1 to 3rd minute, second school minute she is studied somewhere. And 3rd to 10th up to this minute.
not 3rd to 10th 4th to 10th yes.
Both to 10th.
Change of school change of name yes
Even Even third and fourth also. let alone-
Now this
school is
same
there.
school, same school,
Same school.
Thomas High School, Thomas High School.
Let alone-
Keep one post vacant, we'll decide this.
let
How
alone-
many posts were notified?
One subject is there. Page number.
That's the reason permit her for verification, we'll post on 15th. If you produce every, it requested the government people to get instructions, post on 15th. Pending writ petition, the response are directed to, subject to further orders, the response are directed to, permit the petitioner for circuit verification. Post on 15th, yes.
Copy will be-
Yes, today, copy today, yes. Yes, sir.
May I please your lordship? My lords, the petitioners are aspirant for the post of secondary grade teacher, my lord. In this case, my lord, they have received an SMS message, which is on page number 41,
Yes.
to come and appear for the certificate verification,
Yes.
my lord. And when they went and appeared for the certificate verification, they have simply refused and they have identified by DO office. The same will be published in local newspaper.
What is the date of this communication? It seems 14/9.
No, my lord. Here,
Date is there.
page number 45, my lord. Page number 45.
What about 41? It seems date of communication is 14/9.
No, my lord. This one.
Yes, read 45.
Dear applicant, you have been selected for hearing in the ratio of 1 is, so you are required to attend the certificate verification along with original copies at designated.
Yes, thereafter what? Yes.
My lord. When they appeared, they did not allow us to participate, my lord. You are not eligible.
Like they have certificates from Group1.
No.
Equivalency
no,
dispute.
This one.
Equivalency.
Issues are there. Because it's para 11 of the affidavit you are looks like it. Earlier
No.
that-
That is, no, this is not Hindi. This is a secondary school teacher. That is only, in a similar case, your lordship given an order, my lord. That's why I quoted. They were allowed to participate, my lord.
Hindi or Telugu or-
No. All from first class to 8th class.
Same order, subject to further orders, we'll post on 15. Because verification is going on during 4th to
Tomorrow
9th.
is the last date. That's why today move.
Since there is a message already sent.
Yes, in person is that, yes, come.
Today.
It request to the government people post on 15th in the urgent motion list.
But there is sorry, 8 petition, 6 petitioners are.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
6 petitioners.
Yes.
But in fact, all the 6, if they have got the messages.
yes, shows the communication of all 6.
Yes.
If they have received the messages, they may permit it.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. We will say in person the communication dated 110,
41 to 45, my lord.
41 to 45.
46, my lord.
Yes. Subject to further
All
orders, the
have-
response are directed to permit the petition, allow the petitions for certificate verification. in persons to the communication of the SMS communication. SMS communication.
Yes.
Email.
No,
SMS.
SMS.
SMS communication dated 1/10/2024. Post on 15. Let them. Yes. Copy to. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Being mentioned, Your Lordship. The Lordship directed to consider only second petitioner representation, Your Lordship. Instead of 4 petitioners
Pending matters, how can you move lunch motion?
are being mentioned, Your Lordship.
For being mentioned.
Yes, Lordship.
It's coming under caption of admission.
I've
Where is
mentioned-
your application? For being, where is your application?
IA is there, Your Lordship. Yesterday we filed it. Yesterday we filed it, Your Lordship. IA is there.
What is the IA number?
Lordship may take it up.
What to be corrected here?
Lordship directed to consider only petitioner number 2 representation, Your Lordship. There are 4 petitioners. Only that ground, Your Lordship. A number 2, Your Lordship.
Show us from the writ material. Have you filed representation?
Page number 40, Your Lordship.
40. Yes. This is Kiran Kumar's representation.
Kiran Kumar.
Yes, second.
Ajay Kumar. Ajay Kumar it is.
No, page 40 is Kiran Kumar's.
Kiran Kumar is at page number 40, Your Lordship.
అదే అంటున్నాను.
Page number 41 is Ajay Kumar, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And other two are not there, Your Lordship.
That's the reason. Yes.
But 2 are there, Your Lordship. Petitioner
Ah.
1 and 2 representations are there, Your Lordship. Other 2 will make a fresh representation, Your Lordship may direct.
File an application for that.
1 and 2.
File an application for that. IA2 is ordered and other order line. Corrigendum to the order. The response are directed to consider the representation of petitioner 1 also. Ajay Kumar sir. Yes. And registered director issue corrigendum to the order dated. Yes. Come on. Yes. 7 to 12 is extension of interim orders. Oh. When do you want? Yes, interim order at request of the parties post on 24th till the interim order shall stand action. Yes. అదే రాజశేఖర్ రావాలి కదా. This is a pending matter.
It is that GO 74.
Yes. Which recruitment? Which recruitment? Show us your certificate.
I could,
It is not there.
I could assist if I had a copy, but I don't.
You give a copy to standing committee given. Page 17 and 18 sports certificates.
Yes. Fencing
Where is
Association
form?
of India.
Yes, sir, Mr. Sudhir.
I've seen that.
We'll see on 14th.
Very well.
Where is your Form 1 or Form 2, Form 3, Form 4? Whether you are eligible or not, we don't know. 14th, we are urgently mad. Show us the certificate, we'll keep one post vacant. Why you are asking that? Show us from material.
I think motor vehicle inspector recruitment is already over.
This is the it seems to Agriculture and Cooperation Department.
Knowing about public service commissions approved, the
Sir, where is your certificate?
issue also,
Where is your certificate?
their issuing will make no difference.
Sudhir garu, council.
వేరే కేసు వాదిస్తున్నారు ఆయన.
Monday, 14th in the urgent motion. Yes, next. And registry director Pindayama, Mr. Yam, Mr. P.S. Rajshekar in place of Ram Gopal Rao. Yes, sir, Yugandhar Reddy.
I'm sorry, my lord, I'm sorry.
Yes, where is your certificate? You have not filed Form 2 or 3.
My lord, Form 2, my lord, I said I Form 2.
No, you have not filed material paper. We are urgent the matter. We are posting this matter on 14th in the urgent motion list. File it.
No, you not speak, kindly take the proceedings with the same lady filed other petition in which you not have given an order.
Harshini?
Harshini, same lady. Only thing is she applied for separate, my lord, Group 1 as well as agriculture officer. Unbelievable memory, my lord. Really appreciable. How do you remember the name? It's not easy. Even I don't remember.
Notice for admission. Notice for admission, GP services. 1 takes notice for services, 2 takes notice for 2 and 3. Mr. P.S. Rajshekar takes notice for R1. Pending admission, the response are directed to keep one post vacant. Which post?
Agriculture officer.
Which zone? Multi-zone 1 and 2 are there.
Multi-zone 1, my lord. She will have to multi. I'm little handicapped, my lord. I'm sorry.
I thought only I was handicapped.
Fortunately, the case is not about physical handicap.
Hanmakonda, multi-zone 1 or 2?
1. Hanmakonda would fall
Multi-zone,
under
multi-zone 1, I think.
1 only.
One only. As far as I recall.
Rahul, multi-zone. Hanmakonda. 1 on, yes, yes. Keep one post of agriculture officer under sports quota in multi-zone 1.
But let me observe if not already filled up. Otherwise,
Not already filled up. Yes.
obliged.
Yes.
Obliged.
Renewal of guest faculty.
ఇక్కడ రండి ఒక్క నిమిషం పొద్దున ఎంబీఏస్ కూడా ఎంబీఏస్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవరో చూడండి నాట్ ఆల్రెడీ ఫిల్ అప్
Matter part is renewal of guest faculty, covered matter already. Page number 36. But same order, similar order may be passed. Implemented all other institutions. Implemented only this institution is difficult.
Where is the order? Show us the order.
36. No, page number 36. Only this institution, some unions entered involvement only.
Yes, is it covered?
Covered page. No,
Monday for instructions.
page
Monday,
number 36.
Monday in the urgent mode.
Page number 36.
He is not accepting. You want to get instruction.
Already, no.
Monday will
One.
1 week ఆగలేరా?
కానీ దీని నుంచి మన డైరెక్టర్ గారి ప్రొసీడింగ్
ఏం కాదు పర్లేదు. Monday in the urgent motion list. Yes.
పేజ్ నెంబర్
Monday in the urgent motion list. Yes. Yes.
Certificate verification on page 1:3 ratio. And she has appeared minutes yesterday. She has applied minutes under Medak district minutes, page 20 is her application. Pursuant to this application, they have shortlisted her at serial number 91, page 15 minutes, serial number 91. Now minutes, when she appears minutes for the certificate verification, they say she'll be considered as non-local. But she has studied minutes in Ramchandrapuram.
That will examine. Let them file counter whether.
I'm only seeking minutes. The application, when I made minutes, they themselves minutes shortlist me at 91. Now they say minutes that
Yes, it request of the government to post on 15th, subject to further orders. The response are directed to permit the petitioner for allow the petitioner for certificate verification.
no, I have appeared. Now they say they'll consider.
That will then we'll issue notice.
I'm only seeking. Let them consider minutes my case.
Notice for admission. GP services one takes notice and 6 time to file counter. Post on 7/11. Yes.
May make this step. 7th minutes they'll issue the minutes.
Can we do it? It has to.
Let them consider minutes in view of the very fact that they themselves have shortlisted.
Or otherwise, get instruction will post on 15th. Yes. It request the government to get instructions. Post on 15th. We'll consider on that day.
7th
Yes.
they are releasing the list minutes.
Unless that is decided, how can you enter it?
They can as well consider and release on 7th minutes. If
What to be considered? What to be considered?
the application
Where is your application?
page
This one.
20 minutes.
No, unless you fulfill the conditions, how can?
No, they themselves have shortlisted page 15 minutes. My serial number 91. I was placed and at this minutes ratio they have called me. My bona fide certificate page 27 minutes.
What do you want now?
Let them examine it minutes and take
Shall we
a
dispose of this petition? Or as interim measure?
interim measure minutes.
Examine the application, page number 21 onwards, and pass appropriate orders. 20 onwards. Yes, notice for admission. GP services one takes notice and 6 time to file count. Pending petition, the response are directed to examine, verify the examine the application of the petitioner dated 3/10/2024 and pass appropriate orders. Strictly in accordance with law. As expeditious as possible. Yes. Next.
Oblige. May I request copy today minutes?
Yes, copy
7th.
today.
I'm
Yes. None of prefer the petition post on Monday in the urgent motion list. Yes. Yes.
You are in this case, the matter pertaining to a discrepancy in the answer sheet, my lord. Petitioner appeared for DSC examination, my lord.
Yes,
He
I
appeared-
request of the government to get instructions post on 14th. Let them get instructions.
But
Yes.
meanwhile, my lord, there's a verification and everything is there, my lord. Some relief, my lord, because the error of the examination, my lord. There is
That
out
we'll
of
see on
160.
that day. No. Yours is urgent, Monday.
My lord's morning session passes in order.
You are not here, what can we do? Adivandam, Ram Gopal Roy. What is the matter about?
Results to be published. Each month post vacancy. This one I. Results of the BED.
That is Urdu, regarding Urdu.
Urdu. Results to be published. Noticeable directed to that. This is also.
Show us your certificates. Merit list.
Merit list. Copy of DS. Could be voted. Rank or train but 12.
rank 3.
Oh, no, why they are not considering this case?
Fourth semester results to be declared.
Yes,
Because
yes.
they want to declare today.
No,
or
no,
tomorrow.
as per notification, please see.
They can appear.
Yes,
Condition number 13B says.
13B, read. Page number?
Yes, page number 34.
Yes, 13B, yes. Must possess graduation with Hindi as one of the options. Graduation in literature of Hindi, bachelor degree in Oriental language. No, no, not this one.
Page number 26. Page number 26. The candidates who are pursuing final year or final semester. Page number 26.
26, para B.
B.
Yes.
The candidates who are pursuing final year or final semester as the case may be of the required course are also eligible to apply for the post content during the examination.
This is eligibility condition.
Yes. Yes. Certificate. Yes, certificate verification is going on. Today or tomorrow I'm going to get it.
Keep one post vacant, we'll post on 15th.
Yes, tomorrow is.
We are posting on 15th only.
15th it may not finalize. Only will get certification. I withdraw that case also. Today or tomorrow, Usmania also may be complete because the last working day will not.
No, we are directing them you to consider. What is the date of verification?
It's on a process. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
As of now, you have not received any your
Today,
certificate.
Yesterday, I went to register Usmania University. They said today or tomorrow they will come. So tomorrow they may not say whether you are not.
We are only posting on 15th. 1 week, keep one post one.
The 15th, that will be known.
Up to only 15th only.
Still, certificate is going on. It may continue for another week also. If I get today, tomorrow, Miller, then it's a matter.
If it continues another week, you are lucky enough.
I will succeed there also.
Yes.
Because only vacations are coming, Lord, I am before your Lordship. Why? Because in that TGPSC matters or Group1
Instead of keeping one post vacant, his request is we are ready to consider in terms of 16B.
If I don't succeed, Lord,
yes.
the question of keeping one vacant does not arise. Automatically it goes to next meritorious candidate only. It does not mean that they are appointing me. Subject to all the conditions.
We are granting positive direction to consider your case. What is difficulty? Notice for admission, notice for admission, GP services one takes notice and takes time to file counter. Pending litigation, the response are directed to consider the case of the petition for the post of language Hindi In terms of 13B. Yes. Post on 711 for counter. Yes. Yes, next. Yes.
May I permit your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, the writ petition is prepared by the writ petitioners, my lord.
Why lunch motion?
My
What
lord.
is the urgency?
My lord, there is a new notification released about
What is the urgency?
My lord, my lord,
New notification was issued on 24/9.
my lord, 24/9/2024. From
Yes.
tomorrow onwards, there is an online application will be commenced, my lord.
Yes.
So here is the issue, my lord. The earliest in clause of my lord 2.4.
Yes, GP get
It is
request
my
to the
lord.
government.
Here the carry forward vacancies.
We'll
which we are-
examine. Let him get instruction. Post on 15th in the urgent motion. Yes, next.
My lord, till that such time, my lord, stay may be granted.
No question of stay. Yes. We'll see on 15th. What is the last date?
My
What is
lord,
the last date?
21/10, my lord.
Yes. We are posting on 15th only. Yes.
My lord. Mobile your lordship.
Yes.
Petitioner here, applied for the post of SGD Telugu medium, belongs to BCA community, secured 7th rank, but due to inadvertence, he applied for in the quota for OC open quota. That is the reason he was not called for certificate verification in BCA category. He was called for in OC category, there he was not secured. The last can see page number 45. Is the list of 1:3 list, wherein petitioner was serial number at 7. Page number 45.
Yes.
Petitioner name was serial number 7,
Yes.
and the candidates who are in serial number 13, 20, 24, 29, 31, 34 was called me. I'm only seeking to consider my case under BCA category and call me for certificate verification and further selection process.
You are called under OC category.
OC category because the petitioner here in
Anyhow, you are called for a verification.
verification under OC open category.
Get instructions Monday.
But till
You
such
know, you are
time,
called for that. What is
in the open category they have called me, and there they have in the open category 5 posts were notified me. Wherein
They are bound to follow rule of reservation.
that is the reason because one submission.
Not necessary. You are already called for. What is the
They
difficulty?
are not considering my case in the BCA category.
They are bound to do.
Kindly observe. They are not
Not
considering my
necessary.
case.
14th for
They are not
instance.
considering my case. Otherwise,
14th, if they won't select, we'll stay all.
tomorrow is the last date for certificate verification. Till such time, one post may be kept taken.
నిన్ను వెరిఫికేషన్ పిలిచినాక నీకే ఇబ్బంది అండి
They are
అది చూద్దాం వాళ్ళు సెలెక్ట్ చేయకపోతే వాళ్ళే తప్పులు ఉంటారు
they are not
Yes,
considering
next.
one submission. They are not considering BCA category.
What is
Yes,
yes, yes.
that is the reason.
మరి నీకు ఎక్కువ మార్కులు వస్తారో ఓసీలో సెలెక్ట్ చేయవచ్చు బీసీఏలో చేయమంటావా
Normally, the
15th ఫర్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్
one submission. One sub.
అరవింద్ డోంట్ వరీ
Can you permit me make submission?
No.
But tomorrow is the last date for certificate verification. BCA
ఫర్
category.
వెరిఫికేషన్ ఆర్ నాట్
Not called me. Under BCA category, not called me.
ఇది ఓసీలో పిలిస్తే ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది
OC cutoff date is different.
దే ఆర్ బౌండ్ టు ఫాలో రిజర్వేషన్ దే మే కాల్
Last one submission. I have made last I kindly consider my representation at least. That was they are not receiving.
Where is
my
your representation?
They are not receiving.
Where is your
page number
representation?
52, they are not receiving my representation also. I am seeking to consider my case in the BCA category. My caste certificate also provided page number 51.
టాపర్ అయితే కూడా బీసీఏలో పిలవాలంటావు అట్లే ఉంది ఇది
In open category, I have not selected.
వేర్ ఇస్ ద సెలక్షన్ లిస్ట్
Page number.
show us the open selection list. I am so and so. I am a time filing. I made a mistake that I wrongly entered my caste. నువ్వు మిస్టేక్ చేసావు అది సంగతి అది చెప్పకుండా
I stated due to I have mentioned OC, that is the reason.
notice for admission GP services one takes notice and 6 time to file counter pending retribution. The response is directed to consider the representation of petitioner dated 3rd October.
That was not received by me. That was not received by them. I am.
We'll dispose of the writ petition, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Dispose of the writ petition with the direction to the petitioner to make a representation to the respondent to redress his grievance
No, I should let tomorrow is the last date. I should kindly direct the let it be a court order. Consider my case under BCA category. I'm sorry.
అది ఎట్లా వస్తుంది చెప్పరాదు మీరు చెప్పండి. ఫర్ దట్ దే హావ్ టు ఫైల్ కౌంటర్. విల్ డిసైడ్ దట్ ఇష్యూ.
Interim order will pass. Interim order will pass.
Notice for admission, GP services one takes notice and seeks time to file counter. Pending petition, the response are directed to consider the repetition of petition dated 3/10/2020 and pass appropriate orders in accordance with law. As expeditiously as possible. Yes, Sri Harsha.
May be issued today, Milan.
Yes.
Permit me to make fresh recommendation today. Tomorrow.
Yes, next.
Actually, permit me to take fresh recommendation tomorrow.
Emi.
But 310 recommendation I have not received. That is the reason. They may free up.
That's for you. Then we'll dispose of. I will pass final order permitting you to make representation, whatever you want. Yes. While lunch motion pending is.
As per IA, they have filed the IA for the withdrawal of the 50% deposit amount. They have withdrawn the amount. I'm not reading. ऐसे में cancel my time वाला section 18 models immediate of the IA was allowed last petition. IA for the withdrawal.
It is not limited order.
It says so because listed on so and so date, but thereafter not the interim orders were not extended. It was extended twice.
Yes,
Thereafter
you
not
are
extended.
appearing for it. When do you want?
Anything after vacation media.
Get requested the parties post on November 14th. The interim order guarantee shall stand extended until further orders.
Much obliged.
Are made absolute in it. Yes.
We are informed that the society is also filing the petition to your lordship. Your lordship will take it up on 15th after vacation.
Yes, sir. Get requested the petition post on 15th in the urgent motion.
Oblige your lordship.
So, sir, actually limited order student. Absolute order.
May please.
Ramesh will want. Naikwa Ramesh. Password type in it. Password below name. Put a password. Yes, Rahul. This matter is a outsourcing employee. As per notification issued by the
Contract and outsourcing employees, Lord.
10-1, page number 17 is the notification.
Yes.
No, we are inclined to grant interim direction.
Here it is written that the applicants will be selected based on 100 points. Maximum 80 points will be awarded for the percentage of marks obtained. Similarly, maximum of 20 points will be awarded for service with state government hospital program. Similarly, number 3 points elaborates on the 20 points.
Now, what is the use in elaborating the 20 points without giving this relaxation? What is the benefit they are going to get? And also extend this benefit 10-1 and 10-1 benefit.
But this notification which has come, I'll actually, if I may submit, this still holds good in law because the lordship, they have considered, they have given them these 20 points as consideration of the service. At the same time, age relaxation as a category, they have broadly explained as to how the limitations. Why not at the same time here, the 5 years benefit is granted here, which is already there. My lordship, after this notification has come.
Read that, 10.
Yes,
Para 9 onwards.
yes, age, the applicant should possess a minimum age of 18 years and cannot exceed the maximum age of 46. The age is reckoned as on 1/7/2024, Rule 12, Clause 1, Clause 8, Clause 5 of the state has awarded service rules. Upper age limit of 46 years is considered as per GOMS 30, dated 8/2/2024. Para 10, my lords, age relaxations. The age relaxations talk about the first one, 10(1). Telangana state government employees, employees of TSRTC, corporation, municipalities are not eligible up to 5 years based on the length of service.
Extend this benefit to the petitioners.
My lords,
Because they are working on contract basis in government only.
my lords, if I may, in this matter, your lordship.
Now
I
come to
understand
10.4, read 10.4 also. 10.4, subject to.
Page 21. Yes. Page 21. Yes, my lord. 10. However, no person shall be eligible if she has crossed 61 years of age, superannuation age, after availing of the eligible age relaxations as on 1/7/2024. My lords.
What is
as you
wrong
said-
in extending the benefit?
Absolutely, yes, my lords. I get what you're saying, your lordships. But if I may submit, your lords, in this matter, again, your lordships, these employees being contractual employees, my lords, if I could just place two judgments before you for your consideration.
Yes.
Madam. My lords, this is a judgment by the Supreme Court, and Madam, and a judgment passed by the Rajasthan High Court, your lordship. My lordships, my submissions in this matter is only that, my lords, when they are contractual employees, they cannot immediately be at par with government employees, my lords. My lords, here this notification was already.
Read this.
My lords.
You have passed on these judgments.
My lords.
Read 11 paras.
Yes, my lords. I'll just read out as well, your lordships. Just. My lords, in the judgment of Union Public Service Commission.
Page number, para.
Yes, my lords. Para 2 to 4 are facts of the case, my lords. The proposition of law is at para 19, your lordships.
Yes, read.
Directly.
Read.
Para 19.
Read.
Yes, my lords. It therefore follows that the employment under the government is a matter of status and not a contract, even though the acquisition of such a status may be preceded by a contract, namely an offer of appointment is accepted by the employee. The rights and obligations are not determined by the contract of the two parties, but by statutory rules which are framed by the government in exercise of power conferred by Article 309 of the Constitution, and the service rules can be unilaterally altered by the rule-making authority, namely the government.
We'll add them to receive your application and permit to participate in selection process.
Yes, my lord, because the main issue can be not adjudicated at a later point of time.
Yes.
I have also the other day cited two judgments where under not contractual employees have to be treated on par with the government employees. One full.
That will decide.
Yes, that is the reason why, my lord, I request your lordships kindly permit us to participate in this election.
Notices for admission.
My lords, my only request, if you could also consider the two judgments placed before you.
Now we are
that,
not
my lords.
deciding the issue.
Yes, my lords. But
in the subsequent judgment, full bench of Supreme Court, Supreme Court will consider that judgment, subsequent judgment. And for that, the outsourcing employees also entitled for relaxation, on par with the government employees. My friend is relying on.
And in this case, they themselves are providing not merit points.
Yes.
On one hand, they are providing merit points. On the other hand, they are restricting us not to participate in the selection process. This is unfortunate.
14 onwards.
Yes.
The term employee is not defined in the Delhi Municipal Corporation, nor it is defined in the advertisement of TGPSC. The ordinary meaning of employees is any person employed on salary or wage by an employer. When there is a contract of employment, the persons employed is the employee and the persons employing is the employer. In the absence of any restrictive definition, the word employee would
include both the permanent and temporary, regular or short term, contractual or ad hoc. Therefore, all persons employed by the MCD, whether permanent or contractual, will be employed by MCD. The judgment is referred in this case, full bench of Honorable Supreme
Yes,
Court.
yes, notice for admission, GP's Advocate General. Advocate General takes notice and seeks time to file counter pending requisition. With regard to submission made by the petitioners and in view of the law laid down by Apex Court in 2000 in UPSC versus Javana Group and others, the response are directed to receive the application of the petitioners and permit them to participate in the selection process. However, results shall not, in pursuance to notification number 3 of 24 dated 11/9/2024 for the post of lab technician grade 2.
Let them receive manually, my lord, because on computer they are not online.
Receive manually and permit them to participate in the selection process. However, the results of the petition shall not be declared. Post on, let them file counter. Will decide the issue. Post on 7/11 for counter. What do you want now? Yes, you're trying to say.
In fact, my lord, if we participate, succeed only, then we'll come to your lordships, and everything would be subject to the result of the petition.
Yes.
That if rider is there, if results we have, our cases are not declared, again we'll have to rush blood because there will be from declaration of results, certificates of verification, there will be a less time.
But we have to decide that issue.
I leave it.
Yes.
Obliged, Lord.
Tomorrow is the last day.
Today we will take the.
Yes, sir. Inform to your instruct your clients to receive application.
Yes.
Yes.
Obliged.
Next.
Copy today. Obliged.
Yes.
No, inform Kudrat. Blood. We'll take the copy today. Blood.
Yes, copy to
Obliged.
yes.
Not secure
In
the
both cases, Ramesh and
we cannot secure the copy, Your Lordship, because the matter was passed.
what is the reason for rejection here?
Your Lordship, rejection.
Show us the rejection order. Page number.
It is page number 44. Your Lordship.
44. Reason for rejection?
My apologies, Your Lordship. It is
Annexure 1.
25, Your Lordship.
25.
Page number 25, Annexure 4.
Yes.
Saying that he did not complete 10 years of his service, and that the cutoff date is taken as 2023 instead of 2017. Whereas it is clear, it has been clarified in the writ appeal that 2017 cutoff date has to be taken into consideration. And another writ wherein all the documents.
Not that if 2017 is taken into consideration, you will be eligible.
Your Lordship. I'm eligible. 2017, if it is taken into consideration, I have also filed all the documents.
No, what is the reason for rejection is you have not completed 10 years either on February 23.
Yes.
If you are not completed 10 years by 23, how can you eligible for 2017 if 17 is taken into consideration?
Lordship, because 2019 I left the services of the bank.
That
But then in
yes,
2017 I have completed more than 12 years.
But reason for rejection, please read that. Reason. Read first para.
The 27, Your Lordship, I am at serial number 8. The list of applicants who have left disengaged from the services of the bank and not fulfilling 10 years of service criteria.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I have left the bank in the year 2019.
But you have completed
I have completed 10 years
by 2017.
By the 2017. I have
We'll post this matter on 14th.
May I just request Your Lordship, let them consider my application.
Who is appearing? Yes.
Respondent bank. I have to receive a copy.
Your Lordship, for that, for the purpose of the convenience of the court, I have also filed a memo of undertaking about the orders which was passed yesterday. I have also served it to the other state. There were two appeals which were disposed of. One appeal was disposed of by saying that 2017 has to be taken into consideration, and another appeal was there where 10 years it was rejected on the ground that they were not satisfying 10 years. So Honorable Court told that you submit a representation within a period of 1 week and let them freshly consider my cases. Even in this case, I will submit my representation along with all the
Shall we
requisite
dispose of writ petition itself?
that can be done.
Yes, sir. Writ petition disposal of the concerned parties at the adversary stage. Then counsel appearing for the parties submit that. The subject matter of this writ petition is squarely covered by the orders in writ appeal number 1126 of 2024.
Since we have not received article.
Along with, we are only directed to consider representation by taking into principle laid down by the division bench, along with WP number 25457 of 2024, wherein this honorable court has directed to consider the case of consider the representation of the petitioners therein for regulation of their services by taking into the cutoff date as 31/12/2017. In view of the above, writ petition with the above observations, writ petition disposed of, permitting the petitioner to make a fresh representation.
Your Lordship may say application, fresh application for
Fresh application.
Along with the requisite documents.
Along with the requisite documents within a period of how much time required?
1 week.
1 week.
Subject to eligibility.
Yes. Always. On receipt of such application, the response are directed to pass appropriate orders in terms of the orders passed of this court in writ appeal number 1126 of 2024, dated 3/10/2024. The experience was the time
1136 as well as 1155. There were 2 writ appeals which were disposed of.
As well as and 1155 of 2024. Yes. As expeditious as possible. Yes.
Obliged to.
Yes, Rahul, this may not be possible today.
Let me post it on Monday. This is a not one week. I don't know what is
No,
the
we are
exact
ready
date.
to up to 420, 450.
It will not be possible unless my friend wants to. Do not make submissions. No, I have yet to complete. Yes,
complete on that day.
No.
He comments his arguments.
No, he has not. I will tell you. But the reason is there are 2 counters. I will demonstrate what is the contradiction in the counters by this government. If 2 counters are made by the very same department, there is it's not that. Monday you ask me post it. As if 1 week, heavens are not going to fall, even if I were to. I'll make my submission. If there is no via media.
All the petitioners, my lord, are in positions of executive engineer, chief engineer, and superintending engineer. And they're getting now, by virtue of these ad hoc promotions which the state is intending to give, they are all getting one more promotion. They're getting one more promotion. All the petitioners are going to get one more promotion. As along with them, there are several others, my lord, in the state. But for administrative convenience, all of them are also going to get promotion. These are all ad hoc promotions. They are not regular promotions. But I fail to understand, my lord, petitioners, I don't want to get promoted, don't promote anyone.
It is not the case. Let them not make a statements. What? No, this is not the way to make a submission saying that I do not want the promotions. It is not my case. Don't make the submissions as if I am making.
Means
no, I do not want that order to be not to be implemented. Not that I don't want promotions. That is not my case. Let them say one word in my
then
count.
we will say subject to outcome.
No, well, you ask me hear it. If subject to outcome is not here, that was not the order which was passed. 14th, you asked me post. 14th Monday. I am not trying to say anything. I'll make my submission. Let them. They are insisting on. I'll go ahead.
When do you want? 15th.
No, let them not make allegations, not arguing. But he says I am not asking for promotions.
But I'll just say, in the counter, we have specifically averred that they are also going to get promoted.
No, they have not said so.
No, we are not hearing this matter today because there is no
Now,
time.
my lord, at the stage, my lord, this is a circular which was saying only of ad hoc promotions. My lord, by staying in ad hoc promotions in the entire state, my lord, it doesn't serve anyone's purpose. Like, except hindering the administration, my lord, nothing else. It's not a permanent promotions. They are not going to overrun the seniority or anything. Their seniority, as per their seniority, my lord, they are getting promotions, and also their respondents and others, everyone will get promotions. Now the issue is, my lord, by not allowing us to go ahead with the promotions in the state, Lord, ad hoc promotions, not even permanent, because the state of AP is yet to conclude. Lord, we are not able to.
Senior, what are you doing all these days? 2022 circular.
I have, after.
That means you are accepted. The
No,
circular.
you let me see, after 22, I'll just demonstrate. They did not give effect to that.
Yes,
They
that is
made
true,
me,
but-
and they gave me a promotion in the another channel.
Yes.
They have given. Now they again want to revive it. Please, I don't think this is not the way in
Please
which
wait, just clarification.
piecemeal.
Yes.
But after the circular was issued, committee was constituted by the government. Government said,
Sir, 22 circular now, in 24 you are challenging that.
no, I am after 22.
Because they were reiterated in 24 memo.
No, Miller. After 22 circular, I was given promotion in September 2022.
In fact, there is no need to issue this 24 memo to implement.
No. If that is the case, you lost me dismiss my case. Why
We
should
are
I
not
make submissions?
Sir, we are not
No,
deciding the issue.
that
Just
is not the issue. What they are
read
trying to
22 memo,
revive.
24 memo. Read 22.
What in between what happened has to be taken into consideration.
Yes.
They issued the GOs promoting on the basis of the recommendations of the committee in January 2022.
Yes. Page 29 memo.
But by reading this memo, nothing is going to happen. I'll read it.
Yes.
Let me see what is the.
Read this memo.
Yes, ma'am. This is not a one whisper about the events happened subsequent to 28/5/2022 in this letter is my submission.
Yes.
The attention of so and so is invited to the reference cited, and he is informed that after careful examination of the entire issue, that is rule position, memo dated 28/5/2022, the representations of the Telangana so and so, and also the report of the engineer in chief dated so and so with prospective effect. That is the issue. What they are trying to say, 28/5/2022.
With prospective means?
I'll try. Now I'll demonstrate. After 28/5, I have been issued with the promotion orders, and others are also issued with the promotion orders.
Yes.
Now what they want to do is put the clock back prior to my promotion and with prospective. That is the mischief. What is meant by prospective is
that is, yes.
They will start afresh from the assistant engineer cadre and make. And what they give in the counter affidavit is, you will not be reverted, as if the charity is going to be extended to me. And they have not adapted this 28/5/2022 when they gave the promotions in September 2022. They refer to, there is a committee constituted, committee made the recommendations. I'll refer to that, what is the committee recommendation. It's not that easier to say that what happened to the 2022. They can't play like this.
My respectful submission.
I'll read this.
Today's date, they are already promoted.
Please, this is not the way it should be. I am ready to proceed with the matter.
All we are saying is that
They cannot. Let me see what is the procedure of
promotions in the
September
state.
2022. What they have done.
1 minute. Yes. Yes, GP.
But ad hoc promotions in the state, my lord, this is nothing to do with this regular seniority or regular. What all we are saying is, my lord, what promotions have already been given to all, my lord, is continuing. By virtue of this, my lord, ad hoc promotions, every one of these petitioners as well as others, several persons, my lord, they have to retire in a month or 2 months or 3 months. If they are working on in-charge basis, my lord, their pay scale is back to their original pay scale. Their pension will be on the basis of the old, the smaller cadre only. We are giving ad hoc promotion so that, my lord, they all will get the regular pay scale of the post which they will be getting into ad hoc promotion. It's actually, my lord, in favor of the petitioners, in favor of respondents, all of the staff, my lord. By giving an ad hoc promotion, their scale will be protected for now. If they retire in that post, my lord, an ad hoc promotion, they get their pension on the.
Now read page 22 proceedings.
Yes, my lord.
You are proposing to revise the seniority list.
Lord, seniority list, I just clarify this. Seniority list has to be completed
In
at
the previous cadre.
AP has to complete, my lord. And may I say this, my lord, up to DE, it's a zonal cadre. E is a state cadre. My lord, so far as promotions up to 2/6/2014, it is state of AP which has to conclude the
Yes,
process.
yes.
That process is underway. My lord, that process has been taking some time. In the meantime, since the EE, my lord, this is for promotions to EE and above cadres.
Yes.
Now these all
Milord,
these
I'll make, Milord, this is not the way, Milord.
All the
If
Milord,
you Lordship want to modify the order, I am ready to proceed with the matter.
No, no, we are.
Because now stating that we are going to give, Milord, that is not in there even.
We will
in-
post on 14th. or
Yes.
15th, whatever
That
you
the
want.
whole Milord, I failed to
And
say,
they
Milord,
give
I'm only,
in
I'm not making on
2022,
merits, I'm only explaining this honorable court. Milord.
24, 22, they what whom they have been given is
Today it is
persons
not
who
possible,
retire.
Rahul, we have to-
All I'm, may I only seek your lordship's indulgence.
No, without hearing, we can't modify that one.
That the entire state, Milord, ad hoc promotions have been
What
stalled.
can we do?
At the
Because of
instance
Group 1, this
Milord,
could not be taken up.
at the instance of 5 people, Milord, who
No,
already
it is
have
not
got
there.
promotions.
Milord, this
Only
seems
five
to be
people.
a
So lordship
casual
will see,
approach
Milord,
of the
5
government to
petitioners.
say at 5 instances.
Choose your date, we'll post on that date. Today it is because 4:30.
Monday
meeting,
or
a meeting
Tuesday,
is
any
there.
day, Milord, I am ready. I am
Otherwise
not
you-
saying that I am not ready even.
In fact, this is also, Milord, I do not have much to say, Milord, but this is a case, Milord, where already, Milord, one of them is chief engineer in FAC. He will put into ad hoc promotion to the chief engineer. He will get a scale of C engineer. Today, if he is
That we'll
retiring,
consider after hearing, not
he would
now.
go back to D or if E, Milord, that's the scale. That
Only
we get.
14th or 15th, whichever you want.
Lordships may, as the earliest, 14 or 15, your lordships may.
At request of the parties, post on 15th.
I was hoping, Milord, to make a submission that,
Okay,
Milord, promotions
4:30
be
we-
given ad hoc to all of them, including the petitioners, subject to no junior of the petitioners is promoted over and above them. That
Seniority is not finalized in spite of the
No,
division
that is
bench
another
order.
meeting, that is
Now he
another
says
meeting.
senior is not being
I would
done.
have continued.
Seniority is not done by the government till date in spite of a specific direction from the division bench.
Milord, even though the division bench, Milord, after the orders of division bench, they got promotions. It's
14th
not as though
in-
they got, no, they never got promoted.
14th, make a mention on that day.
15 or
15th,
14th,
yes.
whatever it is.
215. We may not take much time, Milord, because learn senior has already concluded as far as we are only
15th, make a mention on that day.
I'm obliged.
My apologies, Your Lordship. Item number 114, Your Lordship, may say order by today.
Yes, 115. Yes.
Item 126 also made extension of it can be posted.
Please.
128, next item.
Lunch, lunch. Where is this time? Yes.
Well, the extension of interim order.
Adi one, Ritti one. 23 onwards. What is the matter about?
Milord, your lordship has suspended the suspension order.
Yes, yes. At request of the party, post on 24th, till then interim order shall stand extended. Yes.
Much obliged.
Interim order may be extended.
We will see, sir.
15th.
We are not raising.
In the irrigation.
Yes, interim order. Till then interim order shall stand extended. Yes.
Item 85.
CRP, all 85, 86. Post on, you are replying.
Yes, my lord. Post after vacation, my lord.
Yes. Post on, at request of the petitioner. Post on 25th. Yes. Delete from the caption of orders. Yes.
Item 87.
Yes, sir.
In this case, what happened?
Now, why was it urgent on that day?
Sorry, Milord, last time I did not appear. Sorry. In this case, Milord, at page number 12, there is an order of this Honorable Court directing the respondent to extend the promotion and other benefits. Page number 12.
Yes.
But the respondent
So what are you doing all these days?
did not comply the, he has given representation at page number 22, 23.
No,
He
no,
has-
read this page 12 order.
Page
Page
12
12 order, you want to implement this.
This order. Page
This-
12 order at page number 19.
What is the objection taken by the registry?
And why you have, I
Yes, yes, your.
have
Hey, GP, who is appearing this matter? Which department? RTC. Where is your representation?
kindly see page number 22 and 23.
File a contempt, what is there? Why you are
One
filing?
year, 1 year completed. That is the reason.
April.
1 year అయిపోయింది అందుకోసమే. There is no other option.
Please come. Office objection is overruled and registry directed to number the requisition, post on 15th.
Urgent motion.
It will be listed in motion list only.
Motion.
Yes. 15th aitada?
Item 88, Sujat Silaka, Kalpurka Jain.
I'm appearing for the petitioners, my lord, and R5 to R8, proof of service has to be filed. I already have filed, my lord.
Request to the petitioner post on 25th.
25th.
Your lordship, material paper is not its ordinary.
Serve a copy.
It already has been.
25th, yes, yes.
Item 89, Sarsan Hospital, D. Raghavendra.
Yes. Money delete చేసేయండి. Yes, it request to the government period to file counter post after 4 weeks. Delete from the adjournment motion list. Yes. ఏ adjournment అయినా వెళ్ళిపోవాలి.
Item 90, Naresh Swamy.
Yes, none appear for the petition post on 15th.
Item 91 and 92.
Your Lordship, item 91 and 92, they go together, Your Lordship, it's for final hearing. The EWS quota issue, Your Lordships. If Your Lordships would hear it, I'm ready to
He is
argue.
not here. P.S. Rajshekhar, new council.
Yes, Your
At
Lordships.
request to the parties post on.
Your Lordships, here is one request, Your Lordships. Your Lordships, a similar EWS quota matter in a different, for a different position, Your Lordships has reserved, Your Lordships. My only request is, Your Lordships may hear me,
15th.
hear me on
15th.
15th and then reserve the entire.
15th, yes, Mr. Ramesh case.
I'll give that writ of
Yes, yes, we remember.
15391.
Yes,
15th.
15391
Next.
of 2020.
Yes, yes.
If Lordship was so pleased, the synopsis minutes in 15 type 331. It's a synopsis minutes in 15,391. Same resolution.
Not required. Yes. Next.
Objection.
Item 93 and 94. Please state what.
This is the case, my lord, wherein your lordship directed the respondent
Yes,
to pass
request to the
orders by
government
first
pleader. Yes,
respondent.
who is appearing in this matter?
Instead of first respondent, the second respondent issued the orders, which I have questioned in this reputation.
No, have you seen the order?
Let them withdraw that your lordship last occasion.
See the order, page number. Where is the order?
Yes, in the contempt case, my lord, I filed the order copy.
Contempt.
Item 94. 9 to 15.
He is a retired employee. We directed to. Yes. Where is? No. Government has to examine and pass.
Yes.
I have stated in my counter.
Still, you are. We'll see.
My humble submission is that
It
let
request
the
the
first
parties
respondent
post
may
on.
pass orders.
They don't want to pass order, we'll decide the issue, what is it?
Yes.
Your
Obliged.
Lordships,
Post on
91 and
20
92, Your
Post
Lordship.
on 23rd, 16th, yes.
Your Lordship, 91, 92 in the same caption, Your Lordships.
We'll see after vacation what will happen, we don't know.
I understand, but if Your Lordships would just keep it in the same.
Yes, in the same list, yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir.
See, consideration promotion to the post of office superintendent. He made a representation.
Where is your representation?
Yes,
I have received instruction, Lordship, in this matter.
page 15. No, not 15, page 12 is the representation.
No, already they have rejected your claim. In law representation is the.
But it was made 24th minute.
Show us the impugned order.
Include order minute, this thing to.
They have already rejected.
Minute 7/2/2022 is the order.
Yes, we are challenging this order.
But that was never challenged by me. And in fact, it is a case where there is a direction by this government.
Sir, what is the order under challenge? Show us that order.
Yes, is the order 7/2/2022, but page
Yes.
15. Direction is the government issued the direction to frame the charges. This is the order. Now, see, irregularity supply of gas cylinders, measures Tulsi agency.
Yes.
Yes, Hanamkonda to the MGM Hospital, Warangal, vigilance report.
You are challenging this order. On what grounds you are challenging this order?
File criminal case against all AOs, furnish detailed AOs, draft AOs. But it is, I am not saying that it is a charge memo. It is not an FIR, it is not an FIR, charge memo. They only directed the concerned authorities to frame charges and make a FIR.
So according to you, Aizan today no charge memo is pending.
That is exactly my case.
Where is your representation?
Yes. Page 12 minute allotment.
Yes, what are your instructions?
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Read relevant para.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
they
in the third para, Lordship, I'm not reading second para, Lordship. Further, it is submitted that again service particulars of senior assistant in Zone 4 has been called for taking up the promotion to
Yes,
the post
come.
of.
Having regard to
Yes.
submission made by respective parties, we'll dispose of the writ petition.
Yes.
Without going to merit of the case, writ petition is disposed of directing the second respondent to consider the representation petition dated 24/9/2024 and pass appropriate orders in accordance with law as expeditiously as possible.
No, bless.
I should direct the office to furnish the copy today. Tomorrow they are taking up promotion.
Yes, copy today, yes.
Which are
అవుతాము చిన్న బ్రీఫ్ ట్యాక్స్ ఒకటి బ్రీఫ్ ఒకటి ఎస్ సార్ instructions, what are your instructions?
Yes.
What is your case, sir? Not that, what is the irregularity committed by the respondents? Is it medical and health department?
Yes.
Page number 14, my lordship's my option. My lordship judgment.
Yes, medical and health, same order. In other departments, we are not considering only medical and health, where we find irregularities in transfer council.
Lordship, consider this instruction Lordship and pass orders Lordship. Lordship, pair number 4 Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, during the
Yes.
Same order, page 22. Disposed of in terms of order in page number 22.
Lordship, in fact, Lordship, in that cases, Lordship, they have not joined, Lordship. In this case, Lordship,
They are not giving this
yes,
protection.
yes, Lordship.
ఈ పేర తీసేయండి ఈ టీన్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది మెయింటెనెన్స్ స్టేటస్ పైన తీసేస్తుంది ఎస్
Bless.
Yes. Yes, sir.
The respondents have followed the procedure of appointment.
This is physically handicapped quota,
Yes,
disabled quota. మీరు అంటారు ఓపెన్ కేటగిరీ అంటారు, వారు అంటారు డిజేబుల్ కోటా.
They followed the procedure, Milan. They have verified the all certificates. They
Not
issued
that,
posting order.
sir,
They
show
issued posting orders also. They worked for more than 1 month.
అయితే
And they cancelled the appointment order.
on the what
without
ground? On
issuing
what ground they have cancelled?
PWD category.
What is-
Whereas they have appointed under general category. And they have issued
What are
their
your
own
issues?
orders. They issued their own orders.
After vacation, Ramesh is there, but Ramesh is appearing.
In one case. Here also produce your instruction, then we'll issue notice. He says he is selected under open general category. Yes, yes. Prabhakar is very intelligent. He's in every case he is stating that he is selected against OC general category. 15th, at request of the respondent to get instructions, post on 15th in the urgent motion list.
Next two are connected. Next two matters are connected.
Yes, all three. 100, 101, 102. Yes.
Item 128.
1 minute. 126. Amma, 126. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Amma, note చేసుకోండి. No, not necessary. 126 note చేసుకోండి. Yes. The request of the parties post on 24th till then interval shall stand extended.
108 minutes covered matter, you lost me.
We can't pass orders
Covered
without
matter,
looking into.
my friend also seen.
You are
my
appearing.
Interim matter. 49 to 50. Similar matter, man. Same matter, man.
Sir, without looking file.
Same matter, man. You lost me. Interim order, they are affecting promotions, man. To post a deputy tahsildar in the all days.
You should have made a mention in the morning.
Sorry, man. I informed you now, man. I seen the order copy. Same matter.
Yes, in your case.
128 minutes, just for being mentioned, there is a typography on this. Last occasion, last was pleased to cancel, but IAS that time it was not put up.
Yes, 128. IA2 of 24 is, what is amendment?
Amendment is, Milad, they have, amendment is, Milad.
Matter disposed of.
No, your lordship kept pending, directed them to consider the representation.
What is IA2?
IA2 is amendment, because the wrong date is given, they have rejected. So therefore, amendment application was also. Your lordship specifically directed them, instead of proceedings.
You are challenging rejection order now.
Rejection order is questioned by way of amendment. Amendment may be added, but now the direction of being mentioned, correct proceedings, page number, last may have ordered that for being mentioned.
We don't have that bundle. You should have made a mention in the morning.
Lord, my colleague was.
You should have made, no, nobody has mentioned.
I am sorry, because he has said that it is.
Item number.
Item number 106. You want to withdraw? He wants to withdraw this 106. 106, signature is the matter taken up for hearing, the council of for the petition.
Item number 149, your lordship.
With the liberty to, yes.
108 minutes, similar matter, man.
That's a item 200, your lordship clarified 2 times,
Yes.
lordship, for clarification.
123. 1 minute. 123 to 126. Yes. These are coming under exception. Yes, yes. 123 at request of the parties, 23, 24, 25. Post on 25th till the interval shall stand extended.
Item 149, I request it on 18th, your lordship.
Lordship,
140.
item 200, lordship.
149, your lordship. I request it to be posted on 18th.
149.
After vacation.
149. Ashok. Mr. B. Ashok.
Item 200, lordship, lordship clarified 2 times, lordship. It's a covered matter, your lordship's order, lordship. Fixation of pension.